Hello students, now we are going to do the next question. This is related to this inclusive series. The question which is given to you, this is an inclusive type of question. So what is the meaning of this inclusive series? See, inclusive series is a kind of one from where you can see that is ending at 10 and then it is starting at 11, which means if there is discontinuation, suppose this is not continuing from 10, then you will have to adjust the class interval. Okay, we'll have to make it regular, means we'll have to make it continuous. इसको continuous बनाना पड़ेगा because it 10 से नहीं 11 से start हो रहा है. Okay, so this is inclusive series type of question. You'll have to first convert this question into exclusive series. So exclusive में कैसे करेंगे? See, first of all 10 और 11 के बीच में what is the difference over here? It is 0.5. Sorry, it is 1. The difference is 1. So what we do, we will divide the difference by 2. So it will be 0.5. Okay, it will be 0.5. So 0.5 is the half of the difference. So what we do, we will subtract here. Okay, हम इधर से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में उसको माइनस करेंगे और अपर लिमिट्स में सी लोअर लिमिट में माइनस करेंगे एंड अपर लिमिट में आप प्लस करेंगे. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. सो हाउ विल एडजस्ट इट? लेट अस अगेन राइट दिस क्वेश्चन हियर. So 1 में से अपन 0.5 minus करेंगे, so it will be 0.5 and we'll add here, it will be 10.5. Then subtract 0.5 here, it will be 10.5 minus 20.5. Then here again 20.5 minus, sorry not minus, dash 30.5. Then here 30.5 to 40.5. So we are subtracting 0.5 from here. Then it will be 40.5 to 50.5. So we have एडजस्टेड द क्लास इंटरवल. हमने क्लास इंटरवल को एडजस्ट कर दिया है. अब यहाँ पर क्या होगा, हम फ्रीक्वेंसी को कोई चेंज नहीं करेंगे. देयर इज नो नीड टू चेंज दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी. इट विल बी एज इट इज 4 12 20 9 5. ओके, एज इट इज लिख दिया है. नाउ लेट अस रब दिस पार्ट और यू कैन जस्ट लीव इट because we need this part now. We'll be solving as per this part. अब इस part पे ध्यान देना. So you don't need this now. Now what do we do? How to calculate this? See, we'll have to calculate cumulative frequency first. CF. You're going to find the cumulative frequency. So it is going to be 4. This is going to be 16. Then it is going to be 36. Then 36 and 9 it is going to be your 45, and 45 plus 5 it is going to be your 50. So the total of this will also be 50. Pretty sure, like 4 and 2 6 6 and 5 to be 11 11 and 9 it is going to be 20. 2 carry 2 and 5, so 50. The total will be 50. Now this is standing up, so we are doing it correctly. Now what do we do? First of all, we will calculate m is equal to n by 2th item. n by 2th item कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ओके, ताकि हमको पता चले इन विच ग्रुप हमारा मीडियन लाई करता है, कौन से ग्रुप में मीडियन हमारा लाई करता है. नो व्हाट वी डू, दैट 50 इज द टोटल. सो राइट डाउन 50. 50 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज व्हाट 25th item. Now you will have to search this item where in cumulative frequency. So ये छोटा है 25 से, ये भी छोटा है, ये नहीं है. So mark this one. This is where your median lies between 20.5 to 30.5. Okay, now what we do? Now we'll be marking. Okay, so this will be L1. This is going to be L2. This is going to be your F, and this is going to be the preceding frequency. This one is going to be a cumulative frequency CF. Okay, so we already marked this. Now what we do, now we are going to put this in the formula. So m is equal to L1 plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into I. This is where we are going to solve now. Now how do we solve? 21, sorry, this L1 is what 20.5 plus n by 2. What is n by 2? We already calculated this. It is 25. Then minus CF. CF is 16. Write it down. 16. I is what? I is the difference. So it is 10. So let us write here difference also 10. What is F? F is 20. Okay. So here we are. Now what we are going to do? We are going to cancel it. Okay. Before doing that, 20.5, we are not going to disturb this L1. We are going to solve this first. Okay. So this is going to be a 9 by 20 into 10. So 10 by 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are, and this is going to be your 4.5. So what are you going to write, right? It is going to be your 25. So answer is going to be 25 over here. So this is your median, 25, and the value is lying between these figures. So definitely this is your median. Okay, so just note it down. Hello students, now we'll be doing median in this less than type of question. So how do we move forward? कैसे करेंगे less than type of question in case of median? Just like we learned in the earlier video that we solved mean in less than type. This is the median. So how do we solve it? The first thing is less than 10, 20, 30, 40. It is given like this. So how much less you will go? The difference amount. It is 10 everywhere. Okay, so we'll be moving less by only 10. Means this is going to be 0 to 10. Then this is going to be 10 to 20. So we will be moving backward by 10 only. So 20, we are moving backward up to 10 only. Then here it will be 20. Here it is going to be 30. Here it is going to be 40. Here it is going to be 50. Here it is going to be just 60. And then here it is going to be a 70. 70 to 80. Okay, so this is how we have adjusted. Now we'll have to adjust this frequency also, because in less than time this is a cumulative frequency which is given to you. So actually this is not f, this is actually a cumulative frequency, this one. So we also need this, because when we solve, so what do? We find the cumulative frequency. So here it is already given, so no need to do it again. Okay, so what we do, we'll count the normal frequency. So we'll write normal frequency. So how to calculate it? We'll writing 4, then 4 first figure will come as it is, then 16 minus 4. Okay, 16 minus 4, because what happens, see why we are doing this, in 0 to 10 already 4 were there, so there will be no difference. Okay, so I'm writing 4 only, but in 10 to 20 this value of 0 to 10 are also there included. That's why we are subtracting, so it will be like 16 minus 4, so this is going to be a 12. Okay, then this will be 40 minus 16, this is going to be a 24. Then again we are going to solve. This will be 76 minus 40. So this is going to be a 36. Then this is going to be your 20. Okay. Then 112 minus 96. So this is going to be 12 and 4. This is going to be 16. This is going to be 120 minus 112. This is going to be 8. And this is going to be 125 minus 120. It is going to be 5. Okay. So we have subtracted here. Got this thing. This is your CF. Cumulative frequency. This is CF it is. Okay, cumulative frequency. Now what do? First of all, we'll try to find out the nth term. What is nth term? N by 2th item. Okay, what is the value of n over here? The total. So total of this will also come 125, which is nothing but n. N is this figure. So write it down. 125 divided by 2. When you cancel I2 6, the 2 to the 4 to 5th. So 62.5th item it will come. So we'll have to find that where does it lie. Okay, this is your M. Now we'll be finding it. So 62.5 will lie where? Here, here, here. No, this is small, this is small. So where do we find? No, we are not going to find in adjusted frequency. We will have to search it in cumulative frequency. So where is cumulative? This is our cumulative frequency. So 4, 16, 40, still it is bigger. 76. Here, mark it. In 76, it will lie. कहाँ पे lie करेगा? 76, क्योंकि ये सारे फिगर छोटे हैं. इट इज दोज फिगर्स आर स्मॉलर देन दिस फिगर. तो वहां तक आपका मीडियन ये वैल्यू लाई नहीं करता, वो इसके बीच में लाई करेगा. आंसर शुड कम बिटवीन 30 and 40. देन वी आर डूइंग करेक्ट. नाउ हाउ टू मार्क इट? सी L1. हाउ टू मार्क इट? L1, this is a lower limit, this is a upper limit, L2. Okay, what is F? F is this one. Okay, because cumulative frequency we have written it here, इधर पहले लिखा है, that's why F पहले मार्क करेंगे, then CF इधर मार्क करेंगे. So this is your CF 40. Okay, now what is the formula for median? M is equal to L1 plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into I. I is what? Class interval difference. Okay, so let us put the values. Okay, so M is equal to L1. What is L1 here? 30. Then plus N upon 2. So what is N upon 2 over here? N upon 2 we already calculated. This is our N upon 2. So 62.5 minus CF. It is 40. Divided by F. F is what? 36. Into I. I is what? 10. we solve this. Okay, now what we do, write 30 as it is, don't disturb this. Now this will be 60, so this is going to 22.5 into 10 upon 36. So what we do, remove this decimal, 10 will come here, 10 and 10 cancel out. Okay, now we'll be solving this first. So it is going to be 36. So 36 we'll have to find that how many times does it go. So it will be going around like 10, it will be 360. So it will be lesser than that. It will be around 6. Let us try for 36 into 6. 216. So we can cancel it out, like 6 time it will go, so 6 time it will go, 216 will be there. So 5 and 4, 9 remains. Okay, 9 remains here, so it will not go. So let's put a point, put a 190. Now this can go only 2 times, so 6.2 will come. So answer will be 36.2. This is going to be median. It is lying between 30 and 40. 36.2, that means we are doing it correct. In the same group जहाँ पे हमारा n/2 निकला था, उसी में हमारा मीडियन लाई करना चाहिए, हमारा आंसर उसी के पास आ रहा है, तो ये हमारा करेक्ट आंसर हुआ. आंसर इज 36.2. ओके, so this is how you can calculate this thing. So just save it.